Outstanding. Outstanding. Man of the match by a million miles. He was... I wasn't happy with the first half performance. He was the only one, really, who showed the things that I was looking for. You know, winning challenges. And he was just magnificent. So a real captain's performance. And, you know, I get asked all the time about the young players coming in. The older, experienced players are just as important, and they showed that tonight. And, you know, I said that to the players. They're the players that, you know, you got to look up to. And he was magnificent. He was magnificent. A lot of good performances, but his performance stood out.
And just as a bonus, as well as what it means for the Nations League, I think that guarantees Wales as being a pot 2 nation for the Euro qualifiers. How important is that looking further ahead?
Yeah, of course it's important. You know, we set out in this Nations League to win the group and then see where it took us. So that's good that we can do it with one game to go. And now the next thing is to look to win it. It won't be easy. You know, we've got Denmark at home, but Cardiff City Stadium will be bouncing, guaranteed for that. And really looking forward to the challenge now.
Ryan, you mentioned the first half performance, but it was much improved after the break. Did you say anything particular to the players at half time? Yeah,
at times we just looked a little bit nervous on the ball, and you've got to give credit to Ireland as well. You know, I thought they were really good first half, making it difficult for us, closing the gaps, compact, and we just changed a few things the second half, and the players were outstanding. And you know, you don't want to be greedy, but we could have had more goals. But really pleased with the clean sheet because we got put under pressure. We knew that we were the smaller team. We knew that we had to be organised and determined to win them set pieces, and we did. Wayne coming for crosses, like I say, players putting their body on the line, and we had to really dig in what is a real tough place to come.
And in terms of your starting lineup, only 2 players were over the age of 30. It's a very young squad. I mean, how do you feel they coped, particularly without having Ramsey and Bale in the squad as well?
Yeah, I just felt that no matter what happened tonight, it would be a really good experience for the likes of Matty Smith and Tyler Roberts to expose them to this sort of environment. And they both did really well. Really pleased with both of them. And it's not easy. It's not easy at all. But yeah, it's when I took the job, you know, I knew that we had good young players out there, and if we can bring them through together, that would be a bonus. But like I say as well, you can't do it without them experienced players. I talked about it yesterday about that balance in the team, and we've got a real good balance in the squad at the moment.
Satish in the front here.
Ryan, what did you think of the performances of David Brooks and Harry Wilson in particular, and the goal itself?
Yeah, first half we couldn't really get him into the game, and you know we wanted to get him into the game because they can make the difference. Brooksy took a few knocks, which you expect because you know he holds onto the ball and he dribbles and he entices defenders in, and just when you think you've got the ball, he just nicks it away from you. But he kept getting up and giving me the ball, which is his character, showing the courage to, even though he's getting kicked, to keep taking the ball. And of course, Harry, magnificent free kick. You know, I thought about fining him for scoring at Old Trafford, but I won't be fining him tonight.
Ryan, you talked about the young players you brought in there. Does the fact that you were exposed to this sort of thing as a teenager, do you think, make you more willing to give young kids their chance at this level?
No, I mean, I think we've got a real talented group coming through. And, I mean, I've been brought up, I was given the chance, like you say, at a young age. I was under a manager for many years who would give young players the chance. And I believe in that, but also the balance. I keep saying about you can't do it without the experienced players. You can't just do it with all young players. I was helped when I was younger. And, yeah, I've got no qualms about age or if they've not played many games. If they're good enough, then I'll give them the chance. And then it's up to them to take that chance and stay in the team. That's the difficult part.